everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ndeewo. How are you doing? I hope you are doing very fine. My returning subscribers, my new subscribers, oh my god. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, I beg, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you will not miss any video. Okay, yes, so I've been getting series of questions. Many people has been asking me, what does it take to learn Igbo language? How long does it take to learn Igbo language? Well, it doesn't have a direct answer. It doesn't have a specific answer. It's based on so many factors. Okay, yes, first of all, why do you want to learn Igbo language? That is the first question to ask. Why do you want to learn it? How much time are you willing to commit? Are you willing to dedicate in learning this language? And to what extent do you want to learn it? Because there are so many videos, there are so many things to learn, not just the words or the adage or the phrases. No, there are so many things. The things to ask is, how much time are you willing to commit? Your determination matters. Anyways, I have some tips I believe could be of help to you while learning this Igbo language. Okay, you need to set some plans. Yeah, you need to set some plans. Maybe bring out 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours, depending on how much time you want to bring out every day to pick new things. Make sure you pick new things every day. Even if it's just a single word, make sure you pick new things every day. And then practice frequently. I keep saying that frequent practice makes perfect. When you keep practicing what you learn, there is no way you will not get used to the sounds. There is no way you will not learn Igbo language. Okay, you just have to practice anywhere you are. Don't just wait when you are alone. Practice with your family, practice with your friends, practice with your neighbors, practice with people you see on the road. I don't mean you should just be talking while walking. So you just have to practice, even while bathing, even while cooking, even washing. Just make sure you are practicing something new. Then next week you pick different things and then practice all of them together. With that, it will help your Igbo learning. Okay, I hope I've answered your question. All right, if there is any question or anything you would want me to teach, please do well to comment in the comment section. Okay, feel free to comment. We are one big family, so we are here to learn. If there is anything you want me to change, if there is anything you want me to bring in, feel free, comment in the comment section. Okay, I'm gonna come back to do that particular video that you requested. Ndeewo. Remember that my name is Onyi. Later.